Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. It's that time again. Let's cut some stuff open, some small stuff I've got sitting around, and see what it's got inside of it. Some of it's stuff that we've already cut a lot of, but there's a few different ones in this. Enjoy. Start off with this cool rock that a subscriber gave me. I believe it's volcanic. Oh, it looks pretty cool inside. Yeah. That's neat stuff. I like that little bit of red there too. Here's this rock, which looks like some travertine. And yeah, about what I thought. It's got a lot of layers. Actually, those might actually be like stromatolite. Yeah, I think this is another subscriber gift. Pretty cool. Here's another nice fossil rock from one of my subscribers. Nice. Oh, it's pink in there. That's cool. I believe it's calcite, but that pink color, that's pretty cool. Maybe a little bit of manganese. Here's a small piece of the Levan black agate. This had some red going into it, and it's nice. It's small, but it's nice. Here we have some more, I think this one's Salina Wonderstone. And nice. Oh, look at that. It has a letter Y in it. That is cool. That's pretty cool. Another one of my subscriber gifts. Oh, that looks so cool inside. That is some neat stuff. Another rock from one of my subscribers. Ooh, very nice. Oh, it's filled in with some neat stuff. You know, at onset it kind of looked like a volcanic rock, but I'm thinking it might actually be sedimentary and these might be fossils. Huh, really cool. Here's some more jasper from the San Rafael Swell area. Oh, nice. It is very yellow. Oh, it's got a neat spot right there, though. Oh, that's cool. Here we have some petrified wood. Cut it a couple times. I think this is from Nevada. And, oh, neat. Okay, let's take a look at here. Oh, this is even better. Yeah, I think this is Nevada. This looks like some of the other Nevada wood I have. Cool. And the final one for today is a San Rafael Swell jasper nodule that I thought was going to shatter because of the cracks in it, but it didn't. And, not as good as I was hoping. It's still good. I mean, the stuff that comes from there is pretty cool. But not quite what I was hoping for. And it doesn't look like much inside the pocket, just a few little calcite tips. Some of those were pretty neat. Especially some of the subscriber ones that I hadn't really cut before. They had some pretty cool stuff in it, so thank you for the ones who've donated those. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.